This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Sinead and Emma Sale. This Anglia Homes floor plan has something for everyone. The Donnington is a 2-story, 4-bedroom and 2.5-bath beauty. As you enter, you will find the study/flex room to your left. Next, you will walk into the open family room, which boasts of high ceilings and a wall of windows allowing plenty of natural lighting. The room seamlessly flows to the kitchen and dining area, making it great for entertaining. The kitchen comes with beautiful granite countertops and gorgeous cabinets. On the first floor you will also find the master retreat nestled in the rear, equipped with a large bedroom, spacious bathroom and great-sized closet. Upstairs you will find a wonderful overlook which highlights the family room below. Next, the spacious upstairs game room is sure to be a pleasure, nestled in between the secondary bedrooms. This home is currently being built. Get in early.